Fossil Gen 5 Carlyle stainless steel, touchscreen smartwatch with speaker, heart rate, GPS, contactless payments, and smartphone notifications with lot of features. About this item: smartwatches powered with Wear OS by Google work with iPhone and Android phones. Case size: 44mm. Band size: 22mm. Interchangeable with all Fossil 22mm bands. Battery: 24-hour plus multi-day. Extended mode varies based on usage and after updates install. USB cable with magnetic charger snaps to rings on watch caseback and spins 360 degrees for ease of use. Charge up to 80% in under an hour. Health and fitness: heart rate and activity tracking using Google Fit. Built-in GPS for distance tracking. Swimproof design. 3 ATM. New wellness enhancements allow you to track sleep history, monitor your restfulness and set sleep goals. Lifestyle: this smartwatch has always on display with thousands of watch faces to personalize your look and always see the time. Hundreds of apps from assistant to fitness, payments, music, social, news, games, stopwatches, and more. With a swimproof design and charging in less than an hour, it's perfect for all your activities. Smartwatch functions: stay connected with notifications for calls, texts, apps and automatic time zone and calendar syncing. Never miss a call. Answer and make calls directly on your watch when your phone is out of reach. Please check the product link in the description. Also subscribe my channel to help us. Fossil Gen 5 Carlyle stainless steel,